Now we are going to learn test called z-test. So to do the z-test, I'm just going to one sample z-test, and you can click here on help, and we're going to perform this example of z-test. Measurement were made on 9 widgets. You know, the distribution of measurement has historically been close to normal distribution with standard deviation of zero point 0.2. Because you know the standard deviation, you wish to test if the population mean is 5 and obtain 95% confidence. They're asking EXH and stat. So just go to EXH stat. Go to look in Minitab sample data folder. You can just type EXH dot stat. Give OK. Okay, so you can find here there are many samples are there, but we will be interested to find out only the values. So this is the values we have. So we can just click here, and then we have only one variable. So values in the question, it has been given the standard deviation is 0.2, and we are going to perform the hypothesis here 90, but here 90% they have asked confidence level. Graph, we can see histogram, box plot, all that, individual plot, everything. Give OK. So this is all about this is box plot. You can see here mean and what is the value of box plot, median 4.7. This is box plot. I'll come back individual plot and then histogram. But more importantly, what we're interested is that we're interested in z value, that is summary. You can find here the mean is 4.7, standard deviation is 0.2, standard error of mean. Standard error of mean is standard deviation divided by square root of n, that is 0.06, and the confidence level is this one. So you can easily find the value of whether they're significant or not. You can easily find out. When the standard deviation is known, we can easily find out the p-value, right? And then we can go back to the graph. In the graph, we can easily understand it better, right? For example, box plot, if you take it, so we can see here whether the values are different or not. So here the mean value is here, x bar, and then this is the, if you click here, and you will 4.7 is the median value. You can easily find the difference between mean and median. So with the help of 90% confidence, the same example they have given, and you can also find the interpretation also they have given in few lines. The box plot. So this is another sample, but actually like we can also do this sample also as well. This is gonna be sample 2 for us, right? But I'll give a summary from here. So the box plot of cooking oil data, maybe we'll read this one. Dietitian select the random sample of 13 bottle of cooking oil to determine if the mean percentage of saturated fat is different from the advertised 15%. Previously, research indicated the population standard deviation is 2.6%. And we are gonna do it cooking oil, right? So all I'm doing it, I'm just clicking here. We are gonna perform the z-test, but we are gonna perform is for only one. So go to file. In the file, you will find, look in Minitab sample data folder, cooking oil, give OK. Here fat content is only one data they have given. So we cannot perform two, we can perform only one, right? So you have here one sample t-test. Just click here, and I will give F3, and then this is the only value we have, fat content in the oil. So they have known standard deviation is 2.6%. Give OK. You can see here, if we consider 13 and 13 values, mean is 16.6. that much of fat we have, and the standard deviation is 2, and that is already we have given, and the standard error of mean, and then this is the mean value. So this is what we it has been given in the Minitab. So this is the value which we already saw it. I hope you find it useful. This is all about Z test, one sample Z test. And the lastly we are gonna do it. So one we have done the F test, one we have done the Z test.